Hello and welcome everyone. In this video we shall discuss about Australia. Basically we shall discuss 4 points. The first point is about introduction of Australia. Second point we shall discuss about location and extent. Third point we shall discuss boundaries, and fourth point we will be discussing about political divisions. So first let us discuss about the introduction of Australia. The term Australasia includes Australia, New Zealand and the neighboring islands of Pacific Ocean. It is also called Oceania. So there is a term Australasia which includes Australia, New Zealand, the neighboring islands of South Pacific Ocean, and as whole general way it is known as Oceania. It is one of the three southern continents of the world. The three southern continents are South America, Africa and Australia. The southernmost continent is Antarctica. So it is one of the three southern continents of the world. Australia was discovered in the beginning of 17th century. Remember that it was discovered in the beginning of the 17th century. Abel Janszoon Tasman, a Dutch navigator, sailed around the southern coast in 1642. Remember, in 1642, Abel Janszoon Tasman was a Dutch navigator, European navigator. Dutch people are staying mainly in Netherlands, that is in European country, sailed around southern coast in 1642. Remember the year. Sailing means in the ship or boat with the crew members. They arrived southern coast of Australia in 1642. The island of Tasmania and Tasman Sea are named after him. So the islands of Tasmania and Tasman Sea is named after him, as he was the first person to discover. After Tasman's voyage, Captain James Cook sailed from England in 1788 and eventually landed at Botany Bay near Sydney. He hoisted the flag on Australia's eastern coast and claimed it for England. Another sailor, that is Captain James Cook, in 1788 reached Sydney, that is Botany Bay near Sydney, and flag hosted in Australia and claimed that it is part of England. So this was few things about the introduction. Remember that Australasia, which includes Australia, New Zealand and the neighboring islands of South Pacific Ocean, and then the two navigators, first discovered by Abel Janszoon Tasman, a Dutch navigator in 1642, and the second one is Captain James Cook in 1788. The second point we shall discuss is about location and extent. Australia lies entirely in the southern and eastern hemisphere. So when we see the world map, Australia is located entirely in the southern and eastern hemisphere. Second point, Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 south, passes almost through its middle. It extends latitudinally from 10 degree south to 44 degree south latitudes. So when we see the extent of the area north to south in southern hemisphere, it is extending from 10 degrees south to 44 degrees south latitudes. And longitudinally in east-west directions, the region extends from 112 degree east to 154 degree east longitudes. When we see east-west directions, it is 112 degree east to 154 degree east. Now let's see about the boundaries in Australia, which all the seas are, oceans are surrounded by, because it is an island. Australia is island country, so it is a continent. So you can see all the four sides which all the oceans are there, which is bounded by these boundaries. In the west, it is bounded by Indian Ocean, and on the east it is Pacific Ocean. You could see the map. Western side it is of Indian Ocean, and eastern side it is Pacific Ocean. The Arafura Sea and Timor Sea to its north. Northern side Arafura Sea and Timor Sea, and in southern side it is Southern Ocean. So four directions all the oceans are covering. This is making boundaries. In western side it is Indian Ocean, eastern side it is South Pacific Ocean, north side Arafura and Timor Sea, and south side it is Southern Ocean. The shape of Australia is like a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral in the sense you might have learned in mathematics about the rectangular shape, about the square shape, which will be having four corners. So likewise, the shape of Australia is like a quadrilateral having four corners like. The area of Australia is 76,82,300 square kilometer. So area is 76,82,300 square kilometer. It is the smallest continent in the world. It has 5.2% of the world's land area. So this Australia is the smallest continent in the world, and it has 5.2% of the world's land area. Now moving towards the political divisions, the states and the capitals. Australia is mainly divided into 6 states. These states name, underline it: New South Wales, Victoria, South Australia, Queensland, Tasmania, and Western Australia. So these are categorized or divided into 6 states: New South Wales, Victoria, South Australia, Queensland, Tasmania, and Western Australia. There are also 2 internal territories governed by the central government, that is Northern Territory and the Australian Capital Territory, which includes Canberra. So there are 2 union territories. First one is Northern Territory and the Australian Capital Territory, which includes Canberra. Canberra is the capital of Australia. Both these territories are large but thinly populated. These territories are large but thinly populated. Let us see the states name and the capitals, which all the capitals are, the big cities are there in Australia. First one is Queensland. Queensland capital is Brisbane. Second one is Victoria. Victoria capital is Melbourne. Third one is New South Wales. Its capital is Sydney. Then fourth one is South Australia. Capital is Adelaide. Then fifth one is Western Australia. The capital is Perth. Sixth one is Tasmania. The capital is Hobart. Seventh one is National Territory and the capital is Darwin. Eighth one is Australian Capital Territory and the capital is Canberra. So these are the few points we were supposed to discuss. In the next video we shall discuss about the physical features of Australia. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.